Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a clean with me video. It's a video that is making me clean, I guess you could say. I've struggled a lot recently. I've been really stressed. I have a lot of anxiety. I'm one person trying to balance a household, balance being a full-time student, taking care of kids in a pandemic, taking care of myself in a pandemic, getting in my workouts, being a support system for my husband, and the kids. And here's one.
Guess what? We got a puppy.
And we got a puppy. So on top of kids, school, being a wife, I got a dog in the middle of a pandemic, and it's the best and worst decision because having a dog in an apartment is stressful because you literally have no option but to take them outside. Like, you can't just open a door. So that's a little bit of the reason why I don't get a lot done. So I put the dog in her crate to get a nap, because if she's out here and the kids are out here, she normally doesn't get a nap. Atticus is down for a nap. Ash is coloring and entertained. So I figured, you know what? It's time to finally clean this kitchen. And I have been trying to clean this kitchen for the last week.
Can I clean the kitchen with you?
Sure, you can help me. And I even did some dishes yesterday, but it literally does not look like I did anything.
Mom, get in the kitchen.
It's tough. It's tough to keep up, and I feel like a failure. So I figured I'd share this reality, my pandemic reality, with you guys now that I've been out for a little bit, which I informed you in the last video. So yeah, let's get to cleaning this kitchen. I'm gonna give you a quick tour of how messy this is, and please do not judge me. Like I said, I have been struggling. Just staring at this kitchen gives me so much anxiety because I can't believe I let it get this bad, but somehow I still managed to be cooking in here. I just don't even know. I know where I need to start, and it starts with I don't know where to start, actually. I don't know if I should start with the dishes or cleaning off the counter, or I don't know. We're just gonna go. I have about an hour until I have to clean or to start making dinner, so I need to kind of clean up a little bit. So here it is. All right, go ahead and judge me. Don't judge me. I don't know. I really don't care. But here's all my dishes that need to be cleaned. It's mostly, the thing is, it looks a lot messier than what it is because I have such big pans and such a tiny sink. Also, chicken for dinner. And yeah, so here's my kitchen. It's a disaster. I can just close that. I gotta, whatever. I'm gonna figure out a way to get it all clean, all the trash. I'm gonna do it, guys. We're gonna do it.
So we can have pancakes for breakfast.
You want pancakes for breakfast tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. Also, this week has been really hard for me to keep up on my chore because Atticus is sick and Asher got a little bit sick, and I've just had a lot on my plate school-wise, so I'm gonna quit talking to you guys and we're just gonna get into the cleaning montage.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. I know the sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. But when we're floating up like helium,